And the race is on. They leap in unison away from the gate. Arrowhead, right at Raymond, honor class, and moving up is Don. Ronaldo, Tito Aru, Raken is racing in 6th position. 7 belongs to All Out. Then comes Orthodox. Rising up is 7, fast forward alongside his honor class, Jaden Diamond. Entry number 1 running by Darrell is Red Wine. And Ray Magic Lion 4th is the tail ender. Rounding the far turn, Arrowhead, high bowling in front by about 7 lengths. Don Ronaldo is closing in second. Tito Aru running by Darrell on the outside. Jaden Diamond, Raken ang aring galing as they race a foul corner. Arrowhead by about 5 lengths. Don Ronaldo is running by Darrell. Last 200 meters more to run. Arrowhead still the leader by about 5 lengths. Don Ronaldo, and nearing the finish line, it's a scintillating run for a Arrowhead. Don Ronaldo, Raken, Red Wine, Jaden Diamond, Pentapecta.